Thankfully, this one is pretty easy. I am actually just using a soldering iron, which normally you have a regular wax carving tool that is specific for this. I just have a soldering iron that I put on the lowest setting. I am going to put just a tiny bit of wax on the end here. And that just helps it connect when you actually go to stick this rod on there. And I have just pre-cut this to length. I'm just gonna stick that on. That's pretty much it. I mean, I could have put that on straight, but I'm gonna be putting on 2 of these, so they're gonna be kind of at an angle. For this ring, it is very, very simple. I only needed 1. Some pieces that we do are quite a bit more complicated, but in this case, it's pretty easy. All right, and all I'm gonna do now is attach it to this rubber base. I'm going to put a flask over this, fill it with investment mix, which is what the mold is made out of. And again, that's the whole point of doing this, is I am making a mold. So really what this rod of wax is for is that's where the metal is going to flow into the ring. So this is actually going to be upside down when I'm casting it, and the metal is going to flow from the top to the bottom there. And this is an example of one where I did 2 pieces. Again, these were pretty simple, so didn't really have to do much on them. Stick 1 tiny piece of sprue on each, and we're pretty much good to go.